Welcome back everyone, this is Mindy, and in today's video I am going to do a very simple card for you using products from Tailored Expressions, focusing on the Scribbled Rose Cling and Clear combo set, which I thought was a really interesting stamp set. This is just a look at some of the other products I had purchased. This is Doodle Flowers background, Just a Vine, and Beautiful Blossoms. I didn't use them in today's video, but I adore those stamp sets and I will be using them soon. So this is the Scribbled Rose Cling stamp set. You can see it's a red rubber stamp set, but it also comes with this small clear stamp set. And I thought this was really cute and kind of genius. So with this background, because it is a red rubber stamp, you don't need that black foam insert in your MISTI. So I'm going to line up my red rubber stamp in my MISTI first. I added some repositionable tape to the back of my white cardstock, and I'm lining that cardstock up over my background where I want it to go. Then I could just close the door of the MISTI kind of backwards, and that will pick up the white cardstock. That way you can see it's leaving a little bit of an edge in there, and I'm going to get in a complete background stamped here in this Oreo ink. So once I lift up the door, you're going to see how there's no like white edge there from it not meeting the stamp set all the way. So just a little trick there if you're looking at doing some stamping with background stamps. That's a really helpful way to kind of pick up that paper backwards. Now, one of the beautiful things I love about this is you can color in this image, you could heat emboss it, tons of things you can do, but you can add different colors of flowers because of this clear stamp set that comes with it. I'm going to start by using some jelly donut ink and just a clear block. Now my stamp is already conditioned, so I can just stamp right to the paper and it's giving me a beautiful impression right away. I'm starting off with a larger flower. And another thing I love about this, it's scribbled rose. So I don't think there's a right or wrong way to stamp this. And that's kind of what I love about it, is it's just kind of, it's doodles, it's scribbles. It's just so cute. So the second color I'm using for the smaller rose is Lavender Glaze. For the leaves, I'm going to use Lime Zest. And I love that this is such a colorful background, and yet technically it's one stamp set. That background is just one stamp set in a way. So super creative. And like I said, so many different things you can do for it. Now my last leaf here, I am using the cilantro. So I have the two different greens and two different purples, making sure that I am covering all of those images. So I could use this as a full card front if I wanted, but I am going to end up trimming this down. This is the stamp set called Penned Pretty, and it has some beautiful sentiments on here. I'm deciding to go with You're the Best because I love encouragement cards right now, and I'm going to stamp this onto a circle that I had die cut from a stitched circle die. So just inking that up with the Oreo ink. Like I said, I'm keeping this really clean and simple. I just really wanted to show you this stamp set and how it works. So I did trim that down to 3 3/4 by 5 inches. I'm going to attach my stamped panel to a white piece of cardstock that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I will add my sentiment piece here onto the card front with some foam squares for a little dimension. So very quick and simple, and just such a genius idea. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will have all of the supplies listed down below in the video description and over on my blog as well. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon.